Yes.
What is this?
Oga Jonas, what is it now?
Is this food for sacrifice to idols or is it for human beings to eat?
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yes.
Let me rephrase my question. Is it a 250 naira food or is it 25 naira food?
Oga Jonas, don't you see that everything is costly in the market today? Eh? Fuel has go. The fuel price is high now.
What's the matter with everybody? Price of fuel. The fuel is 86 naira 50 come everywhere.
Let me give you money so that you can help me and buy. Because it's like you have connection there.
Come, where you want to carry my money go? What do you want?
I see say call wey they make it important pass the market so I won't buy now. So I say make I try that shop with you get.
See you. No be like that. I want correct the lie. Eh? Where somebody don't go lie put for my head. Now they correct you. Eh? And I know say my your guy, my ego don't lie this lie, but that one na between me and him. What you want?
Give me fuel filter. Oga Power, no rush me now. Ma check this thing, man, no go buy fake.
Give me money, don't sell fake here. Give me money.
Wait, ma check and where? You say how much, sir?
You don't know how much they sell fuel filter?
Livy, where's the fuel I asked you to buy?
Okay. They can't work out why I work out today. Since when they bomb me, I never work out that can work out. I tell you, I for like take one shot. Make I take the
Would you shut up and tell me the reason why you didn't buy me fuel?
Give him 5.
Okay. The thing be say, all the filling station why you go buy fuel, all of them they say 130, 140. 130, 140. Nobody agree to reduce 1 naira for me, so I can put it from my pocket. Nobody.
You mean, despite all this announcement from the federal government, they are still selling 130, 140?
Wow. Oga Jonah, you see all these things where government they talk. You know they even touch those marketers at all. Then they still they sell the thing for 130. You know the one where they pay me pass. Government can't even still come announce say you get fine of 2 million naira.
Yes, 2 million. I have it.
Where they if you no compromise.
Yeah, you. Yes. Go to the car and bring the things and all of them. No, half of it. Okay, come on, go. Bring what I have. Okay.
Oga Jonas the engineer. Oga Jonas the engineer. And the class 1 engineer we get in this environment.
Come.
Wow.
This one where you carry toothpick. Not tell me say you don't go home and test it this early morning.
Nadia just they come from Bam. My brother. Man have to eat too. Because na the thing when man chop, he go carry waka.
So that's why you fear death.
I have to fear that man oh, because nobody know when Chris go enter in head, you go begin look for when you go carry waka.
How?
How? See, see, one of my neighbor died last night.
What's in the sick?
I don't know, they say not just ordinary fever. Now make me be careful. I have to.
Wow.
Have fun now. Make I bring button. Make we.
Wow.
You see, waiting there for this life now. Chop and drink. Satisfy yourself and be happy. Finish. Make I bring the boss. The boss. I do work in there.
Hey, Madam T, the Madam Tessie. Madam Tessie, Madam Tessie, go down.
Now welcome. Oh.
Yes, so Madam Tessie, how would the business go?
We dey push am small.
Oh,
na side.
We thank God too. We thank God. Madam T, these are my new boys. Boys, this is the Madam T I tell you about. This is now the only woman where they cook food for this our mechanic village. Where any man will chop am, go house, you know go chop in wife go, including our oga. Madam T, this is my new boys.
Now welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
So boys, later go put for na make una chop now.
Very simple. Just give me rice or egg, put or meat, you put, no problem.
Okay, your second then come.
Give me the same thing.
Okay, no problem. See, I be the only original Madam T for this park. And what I dey do be say, when new customer come for our park, I dey welcome them well in a special way. So the thing what I dey do be say, I go give una free food now. The food wey una want chop, una no pay for it. Hey, yeah.
Madam T, please give me 2 plates of fufu, egusi with the egusi soup. Please put the meat that has fat. And when you want to put the egusi, please go down very well. You can give me that one I used to be strong. I don't want watery soup, please.
Livy, I don't hear you. I know say you go pay money for your own shop.
Why my own will come different? Why you bring boss where they call chop for you? There are no see other shop where we carry them go. Now they tell me this thing. I beg now for you. That's what they take do.
The one who come up for you, I never try. Abi, share the money one no collect from your boys. I never try. I beg you go pay money. I waiting now.
No be so, Madam T. No be so they do am.
Livy, now because you be apprentice, so now make me they consider you sometimes. And because you bring new customer come today, I go give you free. Only for today. Oh. After today, you go dey pay money.
How can I lower
that?
Stay here. How do you No problem. No problem. Apprentice go soon become Oga. You hear me? Apprentice go soon become Oga. Put that good food very well.
Madam Christy, you exercise a little patience with us. Huh? The problem with your vehicle is a very small matter.
Really?
Yeah, we'll just tackle it. I'll get my boys to do it now, then you'll go.
So what kind of problem is that?
It's the filter and the nozzle. Really? So we'll just change the filter and then service the nozzles, and you're done. Yes.
No, I believe in you.
Thank you. Sito.
Oga.
Come. Where the others?
Oga, they go chop.
They go chop. If they like, they learn. No. If they like, they no go learn. That's not their cup of tea. You go, Madam Ka. You go change the filter. Okay. And service the nozzle. Then Madam go begin go. Oh, come with me. Madam, just be patient. Wait for us.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Mother, good morning. Good morning. Where these people now? Where they come there? Good morning.
Morning.
Hi.
This one where you don't reach here this early. Everything well, so?
You know well, everything not well at all. Now my pikin, he just developed high blood hypertension. I've been waiting and call him. The body just dey hot. Now I say make I rush, come collect money from people where they owe me. Make I go to
Sorry. But how in they do am? How they do am?
He dey complain say body dey hot. He dey vomit. He say chest pain, he say sore throat, he dey go toilet. Every minute he don't rush go toilet. I don't tire. I don't know whether na diarrhea. I don't know. I don't
My
tire.
sister, sorry oh. I beg, you get plenty rats for your house.
Which kind of question be that one? Wetin concern person wey dey see concern rat?
No vex. Because all these plenty things where they do your pikin, now the symptom of Lassa fever. Oh.
Lassa fever. I mean, which one be Lassa fever? Educate us.
My brother, now the seminar when they do where I follow them go. Now for there, I go here say this Lassa fever don't dey since 1969.
Hey.
Wait, now we know they hear of like HIV and the Ebola virus disease.
That now because government never give am the attention wey e need.
I beg, how this Lassa fever dey take affect person?
Now from contamination of rodents, rat shit on our house things, cooking things, dirty environment. If rat they play well for your house, now all these things now they cause am. Madam, if rat dey your house, make you find way kill all of them. Because you see this sickness, this Lassa fever, they keep pass Ebola.
My own don't know. All these wicked rats wey dey my house. If I catch them, I go kill them one after the other. They plenty.
I beg no panic. First and foremost, make you carry this your pikin. Go the nearest hospital. Make them fit treat am.
He get cure.
No, he never get cure. But the news be say disease control agency, they say they fit control am.
But how what the person go do make you no get this disease at all?
My brother, prevention is always the best. Keep your environment clean. Keep your cooking things clean. Wash your hands very well before you eat. Now the only way to prevent them.
My life, see my life. We want see money go carry this pikin go hospital now. God Jonas, my own don't finish. Hey, now make me come make I see if I go collect money from people where they owe me. I no owe money.
My sister,
Make I come.
No, they cry. Nothing to do your pikin, yeah? Take this one. Add on to the one where you
Thank you. Madam,
Go.
God Jonas. See my life.
Oh yeah. Join this one.
Hey, Oga Jonah.
Thank you.
My leg fine, no? This my leg, I talk and say my leg. I know they call last. Where my own? I'm gonna share my own, give me.
Oh, you better say if I take up. All the money where they owe me. I beg, I won't collect them.
Okay.
Make I go treat my
if not that, you get one message where I want go, When I come back, I go.
No, they go anywhere. I beg, pay me. I won't go treat my pikin. My pikin no well.
What's in the door?
He dey sick. He dey vomit. He dey shit. He just everything just dey do am.
Hey, okay, Jonas. Now so the thing they start, oh. You never hear? No touch me.
Hey, give me my money.
Don't touch me.
Give me.
Sorry, madam, please let's check whether my boy has finished your vehicle. Please, come with me.
Mechanic place.
Which kind of thing be this? Not even a lot safe. If to say this thing enter now, by now for the sing God will for my life. See now, no be one remain, only one. This is for him.
Aya. Afa. Show don't mature. Show no mature, I beg. Show no mature. For this tuition, now only my last money, only money will remain for my hand. Now I use go play this tuition. I no go enter.
You person see how they take the complaint now, go be like, people go to pity you. You know say your talk no good, now be the one.
See, wait. If you fall on top me again, I will do it.
Ion, you deserve this laugh. So wait,
Too sure. Don't be zero sure now. Eh? Iron, I don't tell you. Make you come out your hand from. You see that thing where they call too sure. Come out your hand from that thing. You see, no. Now you see where the thing landing. You there, you use tongue like snake. You never see anything.
Now this falling off. If you fall from my body again, I go do with you. What is that one? Huh? Hi. Make we talk important thing. Huh? I beg. Make I tell you important thing. I'll stop all this your life. Talk. If the person they talk reasonable thing, they talk another thing. I beg. You go pay for my transport. As you see me like this, I dey empty. Shishi, I no get again. I beg.
That one where you talk now. Good though, I for do am, but you know say you for ask me why I dey put interest. Why I dey ask you all the time whether show don't match or whether show don't or too sure wetin you dey call am.
Because say if you check me now, if you search me, nothing like naira, nothing like kobo. Then inside my pocket. Even if you put hand, I no go even see white pepper here. So that make me I dey put mind, make I know, I even dey pray make you win self because I no get. Hey! Kobo, nothing there.
In fact, the one where they pay me pass be say hungry where they wire me for this place, it dey shake my body like engine. Huh? I be say we go trek now. Oh yeah, we go trek.
Sorry, now what is supposed to be? I know say hungry. If hungry come, you know the knock. If hungry come now, you go just open the door like this.
See, now this one, now they pay me pass. I go they knock me. If they talk, they laugh. No, they touch me. Huh? Which country be this?
Too sure. Too sure.
Hi, okay. It why? You see it? I told you don't.
No tabulu wangu kaina. Kaina no tabulu wangu kaina. Ya he. Ano tabulu wangu kaina. Kaina ano tabulu wangu kaina. Idege migi ya he.
So you see, you know the wrong way anywhere now. You know say I guide you all around.
Now well done, no.
Welcome. Try. Hey, you don't enter.
Oga Jonas, wetin happen? I no come see you for my side today. You no even come chop. You no send one of your apprentices, make them come, may I give them food for you. Wetin happen? You dey vex?
Whether they vex or not, must see eat your food every day. And now you be the only woman where they cook around this place. Jonas.
Ago, you hear your name? How you come there drink Panadol for another person's headache? Now you headache dey worry. I follow you there talk.
Man, I'm tasting no vex.
Okay, Oga
the thing be say, I don't get appetite. That's why I don't cook. I don't get appetite.
You don't get appetite? No one. Because your boys can't chop. I can't see say two of them be new apprentices. I can't give them food. I don't collect money from their hand. Just to welcome them and to show my kindness. Now I say, I'll tell you.
Kind of.
You do well, oh.
Thank you.
You do well, thank you. Right.
I say make I use the opportunity, come ask you whether you dey vex for me. May I come beg you now?
If truly you want beg him, if I arrange the food to come now, we're gonna look the food, come they put mouth into the matter. Just come they beg for ordinary mouth.
Ago, are you be Oga Jonas spokesman? Why they put your mouth for the matter when no concern
you?
Let
me be spokesman. If I arrange the food to come here, as you know, say you come to appease the gods.
My friend, you don't do, eh? Madam Tasty.
Yes.
The thing be say, with the fasting for our church.
If we talk since now, but that one no problem. You go still send your boys, make them come, may I put food for you to chop. So you go see strength waka go.
I go send them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Busy body.
My friend, this one where this woman they force you say you must chop this food by anyhow. You should say she no put them anything.
And if she put something, who that one will catch? Me?
See, I'd advise you now as my best friend though. If they carry that food come, no chop am.
If I chop am, what you go happen?
No chop am.
So what you go happen to the food now if I no chop am?
I go chop the food now. You know say that kind of thing no they catch me.
You go chop the food.
I be cuckoo.
Because of this thing where you talk, I go chop the food.
Hey, okay, Jonah. No chop.
Wetin go happen if I
because
chop?
of me nothing. You know now.
Wetin?
If you carry spanner, you go come drop and go to pursue man and test. Igbo people they call them H's on them.
H's on that.
Make you don't forget me.
Because you are no.
I beg. You go need that. I beg.
You're not serious.
Anybody who you bless, you don't bless him. The gift we give now. I won't come. This is my opportunity. Hi! When I don't enter weekend, see this weekend, I will be my home. Money due, money no day. This weekend, the money go pay me. Because this is my leg now. If I gotta enter that joint for this weekend, I go mesmerize everywhere. I want them to spray me like never before. At least now when money no dey my pocket. Yes, sir. I say I don't forget which kind dance and which kind song I go use. Good! Ha! Supana. This is Ife chicken again. Okay, let me use Spana lele, Spana lele, Vasene Ife chicken yarego, Vasele Ife chicken yarego. Spana lele, Spana lele, Vasele Ife chicken yarego, Vasele Magosika no wado, Vasele ma bobo, pass away, 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 pass away, pass away. Oh, my oga don't eat me today. My oga don't implicate me. Hey! And this is not be the last portion of the food where this man get. Oga don't give me today. I don't get shishi for pocket to go look for food somewhere. Hey! Oh! Why now? Why they do this in the house now? Why now? Oh! Hey, Jonah. Now this guy, I can tell you. Say, get us the body don't be. See, even the time no good again, self. So if person buy, change all this. That's why I say make you reason and ask.
I tell you the look, I mean and money.
You follow. That's why I say if you agree for 200,000, I go buy it. 200,000, I go buy it.
Yes, the price for the Latin America.
I know. I know say Spanner. Where the food now be? The food don't finish.
No. Yes. No.
Which of the above?
None of the above. No say as I dey come, no say road no good, so I can't keep my leg.
The food poor.
For grand.
Spanner.
Oga Jonas, you don't see the food where I sent you.
This my guy here saying not throw it.
Spanner, why you don't throw the food where I give you now?
Follow me, Asamo.
Hey, you be small picking, you know a zero. Wetin dey worry you sef? See this pikin, you be small picking, a big grown-up man like you. Oga, I came to tell you that I don't close. I want to go. Eh? Don't mind him. They do the play. Do the play. I'm sure. Just forgive him. Tomorrow we go play again. Nonsense. Bye-bye, Jerry.
You see what that? Now, lie say she won't come check this thing. She won't come check whether you don't chop the food. You know, sir, they tell you, say, if you let's say she put something inside that food. Wait, this boy said, you don't go, Spanner. Don't deny somebody a wonderful opportunity now.
Okay, Jonas. Okay, Jonas. I don't like it, though. Now wait. This is getting too much. Now wait. Why you dey shout like that? Eh? What did they vex you? Okay, Jonas. I beg. Help me warn your boys. Warn them for me. Warn my boys. What did they do? Can you imagine? The pipe I kept for using on my customer's car. I don't see them. I don't see them again.
Call you decrease. So when your pipe miss, now my boy steal am.
Okay, Jonas. Okay, Jonas. One of your boys have been caught the other some time ago stealing someone engine oil. He must well steal my own. Please warn them for me. One day I'll not come here again, no.
I don't blame you.
Come. Come say you the buy iron.
I dey buy.
The buy iron.
Yeah, you get to sell.
I get plenty. So how much you dey buy? How you dey take the pay?
How much you dey sell?
This one why they ask you question. We don't use question they backfire me. Me and you will fit do this business, so.
No be say we no fit do the business. Wetin dey there be say this iron business wey we dey do. You go bring the iron. I go check am well before I go come give you money.
Okay.
You go tell us how we go take dey make this money.
Okay.
Because as you see me like this, my body dey vibrate.
Your eye. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You know at this Pabisco shop. You get some small iron when I pack by the side. You understand? So when I go carry and put for motor. You understand? I don't tell the conductor. So they go help us go carry and put for outside. You give you a tell them they put up outside. So now we just take them from there free to see money. You understand?
Is that all?
That's all.
That one dey easy. Well, make we dey go now.
See, it is better we do it now. You understand? So that before this evening, paper don't enter our hand.